Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create a full screen menu in your WordPress website. So first of all, let's go to website dashboard, and here we need to go in plugin sections, then click on add plugin. Here you can type full screen menu. Now we can install this plugin. Here you can see 2000 plus active installations, and after that click on install plugin. Then you can activate this plugin. So after activating the plugin, now let's go on menu page, scroll down and make sure that you have selected full screen menu. Then on the left side, here you can see this one, full screen menu options. So you can upgrade this plugin to use and enjoy these premium features, and you can hide this menu on these particular pages. After that, here you can select the menu button position. So in the free variant, you can use only right top, design and experience. So by default, font color is white. So you can select any of the color that you want. So I think this one is okay. Then scroll down and after that click on save changes. Now let's go on front side and see how it looks. So after that click here. Now here you can see this one looks perfect, but you can customize and change this text color.